I was sent a set of these 10-inch by 2.5-inch grooved sediment water filters and asked to give my opinion on it and make this short video. So here goes. This is a 6-pack that's going to be sent to you, and it's a very interesting set because of the way these are grooved. You're really going to get twice the life out of the filter, and let's take a look at how that is. These are 5 Micron filtering units. There are other options that you can buy, but this is a pack of 6 of 5 Micron. Let's see with these filters that they have these grooves, and by doing that, what they're essentially doing is almost doubling the surface area of the filter itself. So you can have things getting attached to this edge here, but then dirt and other particles getting attached to that side there, the inside portion there, and the upper part as well. So you've got this grooved fashion, so you've got all kinds of opportunity for, as water's passing through, debris to get caught on the filter. So they last a little bit longer for you that way, and then they do a better job to deal with all the incoming particles. So that's something that's very unique about this design. These are useful for about 3 to 6 months, but if you've got a clear filter housing like I do, you can look at it and see what's going on and see if it's starting to change color and know that's what the time is to change it. These are 10 inches tall by 2.5 inches wide with a standard hole type for that type filter. So you can put these in as needed to update your filtering system. Let's go ahead and put this into my system and show you how that install goes and see how they work. Now to replace the old filter with this new one, first thing I'm going to do is turn off the water pressure. Then I'm going to go ahead and reduce the pressure that's in the system already. I'm going to do that with this valve I have here and a drain bucket. And just let that pressure come out. Next, I'm going to turn my valve to the off position. This is a water system that has a turn buckle here at the top that I can adjust different functions. Not all of them have this, but I'm going to do that so when I remove the housing, it won't drip as much water. This is generally only turned on hand tight, but if you need to, you might have to use one of these wrenches to loosen up the filter. Like that. Now I'm just going to remove the filter. I'm going to try to catch as much of the water coming out with this drain bucket as I can, because some will still drip. Now I'm going to take my new filter, I'm going to put it into the filter housing, line it up in the center like that, and then thread it back in to the top of the filter housing. And I'm just going to do that hand tight. Turn my lever back to the filter mode. And now I'm going to turn on my main water line. First thing I'm going to want to do is check for leaks. Make sure we don't have any problems with the seal. And now we're ready to go. That's it. That's all you got to do to install these new water filters into your system. Hey, I hope this video was helpful. I hope this information was useful to you. And as always, I hope you have a great day.